Okay, Dainius, so you want to make a screw back shot, okay? So the first thing, if you want to make a screw back shot, okay, is to aim to the exact point where you're aiming and hit to the exact point. If you're aiming low, finishing low. Number one. Number two, you don't need to use any power, because power is bad thing. Because you can squeeze your grip and your back arm can finish strange. I want you just to use a full backswing and just get through the cue ball to the chest, to the exact point, and you will get a screw back shot, okay? So, I will make a detailed view. This is Dainius cue action, full backswing, and get through the ball. And you see you get zip on the cue ball, okay? No power, yeah?
Yes, but I did not control for the elbow, so have to do that.
Just finish to the same point where you're aiming. If you're aiming low, your Q-tip has to finish low, okay? Like you're aiming low and finishing low, not going up.
Okay.
Okay? So here you will see clearly his backswing and deliver through. Backswing and hit. Okay? And you got zip on the cue ball. This is what you got to remember. Full backswing, nice and smooth delivery, and through the same point where you're aiming. Got it?
Yes.
Again. Full backswing. Feathering nice, okay? Nice bridge, nice tempo, low on the cue ball, backswing, and hit the ball. Okay, can you aim lower on the cue ball?
Lower.
Lower. Because I want more zip. I want full backswing and I want zip on the cue ball, more.
Even lower.
Yeah.
I'll rip the cloth.
Yes, I want you to rip the club. Can you rip the club for me?
No.
Please do. Please do. Low on the cue ball, okay? People, watch this, okay? Full backswing, delivery. You see? You got even more action.
Okay.
So what is the key lesson?
Have to push through as low as possible.
Yeah, and?
Keep it parallel.
Yes, and?
Control for my elbow.
Yeah. Remember those things.